Hey y'all, what's up? It's Tay Bryce. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are doing a Flexi Rod set on freshly washed hair. No retwist involved. So the first thing I'm doing is spraying my hair with some of this rose water from the company KaiMila Kreations. This is my mom's business, and I'll leave all the details down below in the description box if you want to go and get some products too. I'm spraying this throughout my hair for some moisture. And then the next thing I'm using is the Water Be Please spray. This is a leave-in conditioning spray, and it is from the company Naturally Crowned LLC. The owner of the business, Kyra, she reached out to me. She saw my page on Instagram, and she wanted to send me a few products to try out. So that's what I'm doing in this video. I am also using their Grow Like a Weed hair growth and scalp oil. I'm putting it on my scalp and on the length of my hair. I will also leave the Instagram for this company in the description box. So now that my hair is all moisturized and oiled, I am separating my hair into sections just to make it a little bit easier to work with. And now we are getting into the Flexi Rods. So for a Flexi Rod set, your hair needs to be very wet for the results to come out as well as you would like for them to. So here I am just starting it off, and I'm showing you guys now that one of my locks is thinning. So that sucks. I'm going to try to crochet it, but if I just have to cut it off, that's what it's going to be. Back to the Flexi Rods though, I am rolling the Flexi Rod away from my face. And I don't know why, that's just what people always tell you to do. So that's what I'm doing here. And I rolled the Flexi Rod as far as I can go, and then you're just going to see me bend the top of the Flexi Rod and the bottom to keep it in place. And that is pretty much it. I'm going to let you guys watch me do more of these throughout the rest of my head, and be sure to stay till the end because I will be taking these down in this video. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram at TayJanelle_. I am pretty active on there for the most part, and I'm trying to be even more active on there, like posting every single day. So yeah, go ahead and follow me over there, and I will see you guys towards the end of the video.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it, guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it, guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just do on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed. Think we need to have a son and friendship. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone.
Alright y'all, so if you made it this far, thank you for watching. But I'm about to dry my hair now. I just finished flexing rodding it, and I have a soft hooded dryer that I connect to my blow dryer. So I'll sit under there for a little bit and then go to sleep with the Flexi Rods in my hair. Now it's the next morning, and we are about to get into this takedown.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it, guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right.
All right, y'all, so the Flexi Rods are out finally. It was a little rough sleeping with them, but I like to just to make sure my curls actually stay in my head, even though I did blow dry them the night before. You guys in a second will see me go ahead and just hit them with the blow dryer for a little bit one more time, just because I'm a little paranoid and I don't know, I feel like I have to, but that's what I'm going to do. And then after this, you guys will see me separate them. I guess you could leave your curls like this if you wanted to, but I prefer to separate them, and y'all will see that in the next clip.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never know.
And that's it, y'all. My hair is done. The Flexi Rods came out amazing as usual. And if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share it with somebody who has locks, somebody who doesn't have locks. I don't care. Just share the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Mwah.